Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Myself Mariam Mubina from BBA second year. Before joining Aspire, I was studying in Al Fajr International School. My friend has suggested me that to join Aspire. She have told many things about the Aspire College and which inspired me. The way they treat the students and the way the teachers treat us is so kind and gentle. Islamic studies is something that we are going to take for the future. When I studied in an Islamic background also, I was not gained that much of knowledge very deeper. But when I came to Aspire, they have taught us so much, they have inspired us so much. The environment was great. I have never earned friends like this before, even in my school days, because they are very trustworthy, they are very knowledgeable. If they gain even a small amount of knowledge, they will teach us. We were all together. We had a sister Solace all the time, like at least once a month, which made us togetherness. I would suggest my friends and families for the Aspire because it is such a good environment, and the teachers are great and the students are also great. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Diploma and degree programs offered. Admissions open. Call us now, 97-915-90920, or apply online, www.aspirecollege.edu.in.